Everybody, right back off that last video. I know that last one I just made 12 minutes long. So like I said, man, I'm just letting some of these videos roll. We're just gonna keep moving, get her done. Yeah. What's going on, man? Headlights. You guys ready for this? Crunch time, baby. Love it. Let's get it. That was fun. Let's break some more stuff. Ha ha ha. You want to see some more stuff get brought, man? Make sure you hit that like, share, subscribe button. Do it now. You ain't doing anything else. Do it now. Try to keep these videos going for you guys. Every time I see a new subscriber, I get motivated even more. So you want to see some more good content? Keep hitting that. Make sure you guys keep hitting that subscribe button. Tell your family and friends they like watching videos like this too, because it do get crazy. Yes, it does. I know I'm kind of a wild person, but it is what it is. I just like to come out here and have fun, give you guys some good quality videos. Try to get everything that most people say something about, different views, different angles. Get my GoPro together, guys. We're gonna be in there. But still, so far, I guess I'm still the only trash guy that put out 35 videos in one day. That is documented on my other one, on my other channel. That was crazy, man. I think it took me longer to upload the dang videos than it did for me to make them. It was definitely fun. It was a challenge, and I liked it. It was good quality stuff right there. That's how you do it. What is going on here? Stepped in that hole. It hurt. Hurt, damn it. Damn it.
I knew I shouldn't have hit that car. I think I caught my following this
I think he wants to.
to see if I was going to stop at the stop signs. You know what? The only thing I can think of.
Yeah, I think so too, because he didn't wave at me or anything. He kind of just stared at me for a minute when I told him which way, asked him which way he wanted stuff to go.
So we're going to have to keep an eye out, because I never stop at stop signs.
Yeah. kids watching.
I didn't get it. I missed.
Glass.
Huh?
Hiya! 6 minutes. All right, guys, gonna do it for this one. See you in the next one.